In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best all-mountain snowboards in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The Superpig infuses high-end tech into her best-selling Warpig shape for an elite all-mountain deck. If you find yourself seeking out something big and bad, avoid the other pigs and take shelter with the Superpig, because this board is built like a brick house. The Superpig is the same shape as the Warpig, just with a lot more tech and a little bit of camber. Size the Superpig down 6 to 10 centimeters is from your standard size because of its innovative shape. The Superpig rides like a very angry Warpig. This board is made for the demanding rider that wants the aggressive thrash style of the Warpig with camber and a little more stiffness. Don't let the shape fool you, this board will go anywhere and do anything. Of course, it will still ride powder with its short, wide shape, but you'll be really impressed at how fast the Superpig goes from edge to edge on hardpack and the pop the camber provides. A tapered B-radial sidekit maximizes grip and maintains speed in all conditions. Carbon-infused glass provides extra pop, and new carbon slim walls reduce weight, increase damping, and increases energy transfer to enhance response and stability. Carbon Array 5 provides extra pop without adding stiffness, while the low-friction race base is made from a carbon-infused sintered base material to ensure a fast ride. Number 4. The iconic Bonafide, long praised for its masterful combination of technical performance and all-mountain versatility, has gone ahead and one-upped itself. Introducing the all-new Bonafide, made to attack the mountain with grace and precision. From crushing through crud, to laying it down on hardpack, to navigating your way through untouched POW in the trees, they're the ultimate all-conditions daily driver for committed skiers. The new True Blend wood core specifically targets the flex throughout the ski, with a softer tip and tail that keep you nimble. Denser wood underfoot acts like a gas pedal, giving you the power and drive when you want to charge. Combined with a versatile sidekit and a reduced rocker profile, the Bonafide is the perfect blend of Austrian engineering and real-world testing that'll keep you skiing confidently, even on those less-than-perfect days. The Blizzard Bonafide 97 is an awesome option, the advanced to expert level guy looking for all-mountain versatility at its finest. True Blend wood core takes stiffer wood and places it in the middle, underneath the bindings for proper edge hold and stability. It's then blended with softer wood in the tip and tail, providing tons of playfulness without sacrificing rigidity. Sandwiching the True Blend core is 2 layers of Titanal, enhancing control and stability no matter how hard you're pushing it on the slopes. The rubber anti-shock layer provides a smooth ride on any terrain with a layer of rubber for vibration dampening. Carbon Flip Core technology integrates a unidirectional carbon frame on top of the core for a lightweight but energetic feel. Titanium binding reinforcement provides a solid platform to mount your bindings, perfect for those guys who really know how to test the limits. Blizzard knows all-mountain versatility when it comes to the Bonafide, and any serious skier should be giving it a serious look. Number 3. Camp 7 Valdez and Summit Men's Snowboard Package, a complete setup designed for all-mountain dominance. The newly designed Valdez boards strategically grouped it with their Summit binding and system APX boots to blend perfectly together in all conditions. Prepare for the ultimate riding experience with this Valdez package. Camp 7 Valdez Snowboard, Camp 7 Staple Board, the Valdez, has received a facelift. Utilizing a slightly stiffer nose and tail, the Valdez charges through rough snow, dominates bumps and cuts through hard pack and ice. The CRC profile means there's plenty of rocker between your feet for float on the deepest days, while the cambered tip and tail provide massive pop and response. Simply put, the Valdez was designed to dominate conditions as tough as the area it was named after. A vertically laminated dual-density poplar core provides the perfect all-mountain flex and lively feel, while the fully wrapped hardened Rockwell 48 edges hold up to massive abuse. Camp 7 Summit bindings, full-length EVA base pad. either or toe strap that can be ridden toe cap style or over the forefoot. Jill insert contoured straps. Inside routed ladder straps, aluminum 4-tooth ratchets, 15% fiber inclusion in both the base plate and the high back, anatomically correct footed, comfy adjustable toe ramps, full dual-sided on the fly strap adjustability via cam cleats on both toe and ankle straps. System APX men's snowboard boots. System is back with their APX snowboard boots. This ultra-durable boot combines superior comfort with peak performance. Simple and classic styling allows these boots to optimize features like metal hooks for superior lace hold and lasting power. Combined with the newest tech like the ThermoFit heat moldable liners for customizable fit and an articulating cuff for smooth flex, you just can't find a better quality boot. Number 2. This is a user-friendly package designed to tackle all terrains. The board satisfies a range of skill levels. Beginners will love the rig, it is super smooth and buttery. They can enjoy the full snowboarding experience without being overly concerned about catching an edge. The hybrid rocker profile is great for learning how to carve with confidence and makes hitting small jumps seem effortless. The intermediate to advanced rider will love to thrash around the mountain on this rig. Number 1. The Brahma 88 will give you the ability to seize the snowpack throughout the most frigid temperatures and firm conditions. True Blend Wood Core. Brahma 88 utilizes its True Blend Wood Core, 2 sheets of metal and reduced rocker profile for a better grip on harder snow, but is versatile enough for a variety of snow conditions. Performance. These skis will take the energy you give them and transfer that power into the snowpack, so you can rip down the mountain with confidence and ease. Rocker camber rocker profile. Reducing the pressure on the edge at the tip and tail makes the ski even easier to handle and increases flotation on powder snow. The camber guarantees great grip on packed snow in any case. Durability. The rounded shapes, the structured top foils and the blend of materials used are designed with durability in mind. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.